And hey everybody, and welcome. Today we're over here at the Contemporary Resort, and as you guys can see, you got a little peek of the Bay Lake Tower, and that's actually where we're going to be heading over today. So we're going to let Marley there be our guide, and it's me, Marley, and Morgan out here filming today. Now this is going to be when you're coming out the center floor in the Contemporary Resort, where you've got Chef Mickey's, you've got all the stores, they've got the bridge all the way down. And when you go across the bridge from the Contemporary, it's going to take you right over to Bay Lake Tower. Now, if you guys are staying over at Bay Lake, if you can see in the background, you're going to be sharing just about everything. So you do have the lake out back. You've got the pool for the Contemporary down there. Now, Bay Lake does have their own pool on the backside. But right now, we're going to make our way across this bridge and actually head into the tower. Now, if you guys seen our past videos of the Bay Lake Tower, we actually usually go in downstairs there. We actually go in that main opening and show it from that direction. But today I wanted to do it a little differently. So we're going to keep going across this little catwalk. And we're going to head on over there and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Now, there's a peek back at the monorail. So these are some of the views you guys are going to see when you're actually over here at Bay Lake. So you got the monorail. You've got the Cinderella Castle. You got Tron. You got Space Mountain. And these are all the things you're going to see just by staying up here. So depending on where you are, if you're on the ground floors, you're really not going to see too much. The higher floors is where I'd request, and I'd request on the Magic Kingdom side. Now, most of these type of resorts I'm not a fan of because you're sharing everything, but this one here with just the view and what you have, it's definitely worth coming over and checking this one out, guys. And we're getting ready to head on in right now, so we're actually walking into the doors of the Bay Lake Tower, and it's going to bring you right on in from the catwalk there, right over to their elevators. And we're actually going to jump on an elevator today, and we're going to take you up to the top. So we're going to jump on in here, turn around, and let's head on up. And we're going to need to go up to the 15th floor. And I'm in right now. Usually I don't film inside these elevators, but I just want to see if there's any voices. Now, if you go over to the beach club as you're going up, you do hear a Mickey Mouse. So in here, you don't really have anything so far, but I'm curious to see what happens when you get up. So nothing out of the ordinary on sounds, no Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse, but this is what you're greeted with on the 15th floor looking out. So if you guys are over here, I definitely come up here and take some pictures, because look at what you're taking a picture of. Now that is the Contemporary. Up on top you got the steakhouse up there, and that's going to overlook the Magic Kingdom. And looking down back there, that's going to take you out to the pool. And looking over this way, that's going to look over, that's where the actual monorail goes into the building. And it actually heads over to the Magic Kingdom. And if you guys look carefully enough, you can see the Cinderella Castle in the background. And I'm going to move around just a little bit in a second. And that's going to show you guys Space Mountain, maybe get a little look at Tron there. But that's the Magic Kingdom over there to the right. And this is all the parking down below. And there's a look again. If you're looking back now, you're going to see this is the elevators we just came up on. I want to show you guys what it looks like out back here. So this is the pool out back from the aerial view.
That would be the Bay Lake
So if you guys
pool.
aren't sure what the pool looks like, that is it. I don't know if we have one of these posted in the website. Check it out, countrybeartours.com. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, we do urge you to subscribe. We appreciate all the subscribers out there, and give us a big like there. And I'm going to take you down and show you what one of the hallways and rooms look like from outside. So when you guys are walking around, this is what you're going to expect walking down the hallways over here at the Bay Lake. And another peek outside out back here. So that's what the back of the building looks like. So now we went downstairs and out front. So this is usually where we're going to film this actual resort. So this is actually where you're going to be parking your car or parking over in the Contemporary, and you're going to be walking right into the main entrance of Bay Lake Tower. Now when you're down here, these are really nothing special, but the building's pretty incredible looking up. The catwalk that takes you over is kind of nice. It looks pretty plain, but it's cool going over into the Contemporary there.
From the monorail floor.
And there's Marley out there.
All the way over to the
And we're just going to walk
tower.
around, and we're going to go in the front door, and I'm going to show you what the lobby area looks like, and we'll walk down the hall. But as you can see, this is one of them sharing resorts. So when you go in, it's just a basic lobby. You know, it looks, you know, it's pretty open. It's not bad. It's a nice looking lobby, but there's really nothing to do right here. You're not going to have the arcades. You're not going to have the stores. This is just a lobby to check in over here. So that's what it's set up as. And then we're going to head down the hall. We're going to go out near the pool and around the back of this. But this is pretty much it on the outside. Nothing spectacular. You know, it's a nice entrance way. You're going to go in. You'll look back right there. There's where you're going to see the monorail and stuff like that. But you got the contemporary view over here if you want to look around. But it's just a basic lobby, basic entrance. But the hotel, at nighttime, this place comes to life. The daytime, if you're sitting outside, I don't know if you're going to want to do that. It's pretty hot out there. But at least you got the opportunity to see the Magic Kingdom. And this is coming into the foyer here. And now we're going to walk right on into the main lobby. So it's definitely a pretty lobby. You know, it's really pretty and it's very spacious. They did a nice job on it. The lighting, the trees on the inside. I'll peek up here so you guys can see what some of the lighting looks like. I'll try to get a better angle as we go back in here a little bit. But there's the lights up on the ceiling. There's your check-in right there. Some of the plants, the ceiling. Let me look around here again. Give me a second. Let me turn around. And there's the lighting up there on the ceiling with some more stuff coming in from the main entrance. So, you know, it's a nice lobby. But once again, you don't have the coffee shops in here. You don't have the stores in here. So it's just basically a lobby. Let's head on down the hall, guys. Now we're almost down, just going down the hall there. We just cut out and we're cutting back in right now. So this is down where we actually went upstairs. So if you just head down that hallway, you're going to come right to the elevators there. And you can either go out front or we're actually going to head out back. So Morgan's got the door for us here. Now this is coming right out the back of Bay Lake. Now if you look straight on back, you can see the pool back there. Off to the left, you've got the building. You've got like a big walkway going right up to the center there. I think they could have did a little bit more back here. It's nice looking and all, but it's just kind of like blah. I think that all these trees probably could go bye-bye and they could put something really nice in the center. Maybe even a little water section for kids or something. You know, instead of just this walkway around here. This isn't one of the nicest backs, you know, of the resorts and stuff like that. And it kind of reminds me of Kidani Village a little bit, but without all the flair. But you got this little fountain that takes you right up to the back. The fountain isn't bad, you know, it's nice and all. But right here to these trees, I would probably pull them out and put something really nice out here. Could be anything. But as you can tell, the numbers are down right now. You don't see the people out here, so it is slow right now. So if you guys are planning on visiting and you're planning on staying here, this is what you're going to be expecting and stuff like that. It is a weekend, so I'd expect more people here. It is early. Maybe a lot of people are in the parks, but the numbers lately have definitely been a lot slower and stuff like that. Give you a little bit of look around again. I'm not sure what the deal is with all the trees. If you guys know what this is all about, please leave it in the comments down below. If not, we're going to do some homework of our own. There's a little look at Morgan there. Let's head on back towards the pool. Now we'll try to get the pool. If the pool's dead enough that we can get in there and walk around, I'll try to get that and get it posted onto the website. But we usually don't include the pool in the videos. I don't want to be making these videos just too long for someone to watch. So we're just gonna go around the outside, give you guys a feel for what it includes. And we'll end up getting that pool, whether it's today or a different day. We're gonna get in there and get that posted just because we like the pools to be posted in the pool page of the website all by themselves, and we'll post it on YouTube by itself, as well as the arcades, as well as the restaurants, any of that stuff. We like to get it all out on its own, and that way you guys can look at just what to expect on the pool. So if you guys are coming down and you want to see the pool, you don't want to waste your time watching a whole video on just a resort, just go to the pool, go to the arcade section, go to the Surrey bikes, you'll find all that. And this is a little look to the left of the pool. It's just a little area you're going to hang out. You can have a little barbecue and stuff like that. Little shade back here. And we're going to head on right on back as far as I can get here. I'll give you guys a peek at the water before we head away. But you got some picnic tables back here. Little cover from the sun. You know, it's actually really nice back here. It's not that it's not nice. I just feel they could have did a lot more where the trees are and stuff like that. But this is the waterway, and that's actually going to take you over to the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds, the Wilderness Lodge, and the boats are going to actually come over from the Magic Kingdom. So you will see the boats coming through there. And just as I say that, look what's coming through. So this here is actually one of the ferry boats. So if you're going to the Magic Kingdom, that's actually going to be one of the boats you guys are going to be going on to head over to the Magic Kingdom there. And it's cool. You usually don't see these guys going across, so it's rare to see them. So they're either going back and servicing it, giving it gas, or it's going out of commission. Or maybe they just don't need it right now, so they're just putting it away anyway. But we're going to head back towards the pool right now. That's it towards the back over here. You do have the pool off to the left, the building off up to the right there. And this is pretty much the back of the Bay Lake Tower. So if you're staying here, the key points to this resort, in my opinion, are going to be the pool. They got a really strong pool back here. It's a nice pool. It's set up nicely. It looks nice. You saw it from above. You can see what it looks like right here. It's a pretty pool. They got a nice slide. So this is a key feature of this resort. And the next thing I would say is you've got a lot of views. So if you're staying off the back, looking out the back, you might see the pool. I would recommend staying off on the Magic Kingdom side, so at least you get to see the Contemporary, the Magic Kingdom, and at nighttime you've even got the fireworks every night down in the Magic Kingdom. So this is a good resort to stay at if you're looking for all those sights and a pool out back. Other than that, I think this one's a little pricier to stay at. So I'd probably, if I wasn't looking for all that other stuff, I'd probably look at a different resort, but this is definitely a nice one to see the Magic Kingdom. And I don't really think you're gonna beat this resort looking out and seeing everything you're gonna see at nighttime. When you got the Magic Kingdom outside your doors, really that's all you can ask for. So that's the strong points. You've got your wet bar right up here next to the pool. We're making our way around to this wet bar up here. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit so you can see that. So this is what you guys are gonna see, and let's head on down here a little bit more, and let me try to get this camera spun around there. You got a little bit of view in there. I'm not gonna get in there today. We're not staying here today, so you're not really supposed to go in there. So we're just gonna walk around the outside here and see what she's doing right there. She's hitting her scan bar. She's gotta go inside there. It looks like she's having a little bit of trouble getting in herself. And then we're gonna make your way around. So if you guys go around the back here to the right, all this is gonna do is take you around to the Magic Kingdom area, which is over near the Contemporary. So if you keep going here and come out in the front, you're gonna see where the Magic Kingdom is, and you're gonna see the Contemporary. So the Contemporary is right here, and it's just a little bit of a walk around the corner here. And this is going to take you from the pool over here. So most of the time, if you're over here, to be honest with you, you're probably going to be taking that catwalk right there, unless you're staying out back and you can just jump down the stairs and walk over here and head over to the pool or everything down low on the Contemporary. But for the most part, you're going to be going across that catwalk right there, and that's where the people are heading right now from the Contemporary back over. So this has been it on the Bay Lake Tower. This is the actual resort tour. There's not much to really see as you're walking through. So, you know, you've got Bay Lake Tower, you've got the pool, and you've got some nice views out front. All right, that's it on this one. We'll see you guys in the next one.